Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 3 of the Newton Mudroom renovation. This is our last day for demo. We've gotten all of the lath and plaster out of here and also the ceiling that went across on the lower level here. So those boards have come out. We've taken and we've removed any remaining pieces of lath off the wall. We've banged all of the nails in, and we've got what is called a clean slate. So this is going to leave us in a great position for Monday, which is when all the materials are going to be delivered, and then we're going to start framing this whole space. So this is the last time we're going to see it this open before we start putting it all back in. So we're going to come back and check in on Monday because we're going to start framing. We're going to put this middle wall that's going to go in here. We're going to put in the higher ceiling, and it's going to give us a little bit of a vault on this side. And then once we get all the framing and the structure in, the electrician's going to come and he's going to run some wires. Then we're going to get prepped because a tile floor is going to go in here, and that's going to be a radiant tile floor. So we've got a little bit of work to do with that. And then everything gets insulated. So this is going to be a fully insulated room, and this window is going to get replaced with a thermal pane window. And then the back doors are going in, the side door, which is going to access the storage room, and then it's drywall, paint, finish and trim, and we're going to call this project done. So we've got another, let's see, 4, 5, 6 weeks here on this project. And I'm glad everybody's come along with me on it. And if you do happen to check out these videos and you like them, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button down there, and most certainly comment. Comment if you got any questions, or just comment if there's anything that I can kind of explain to you, or anything we can do a little bit better. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for sharing with all your friends. I really appreciate it. So we'll see you all on Monday.